Hi, GC News. Mima Bobie Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana. Maybe bravo. And what say we can subscribe to the channel now. Bobie say over subscribe. Bobie say over click the subscribe button. Now what very notification. We have a new video or the first person what's a birthday. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now the what's up to say. Shema Ofufroso na wonye bi hwe na wo hu ye ekoso ewo Ghana memu hano afi debelity ensema beto ye pronso ewo hasi yiti ensema ekoso yiti
Jonfo yasema akwa Captain Span sema akwa we are 213,000 sema akwa we sema akwa jiu I don't know, I'm not there, but you see whether Giba whether Jonfo or me and Kwana Metis said Jonfo was part of the MPP media team in 2016 and in 2020. See, there are certain things I know about Jonfo, but I'll prefer to be called a disrespectful person than to be described as a thief or a criminal. I'll prefer that. Say, you catch me say, oh my, amemunti, Bobie emwadia. I prefer that say you be catch me say Bobie a kromfo ana or a criminal mamoyefo. And I don't want to go deep because Jonfo, look, if you give me ethical governance, umami a memo guided with ethics, I'll give you journalism guided with ethics. It's so simple. UK Prime Minister wanya Kwasia say o mine sika also no befa private jet edi an antenante adanya ne nan enko eye British Airways ne nan nkom enti ope so fa private jet. So obviously BBC will never tell their prime minister say oye Kwasia because onim Kwasia asem. But so we are president now wouldn't Kwasia asem. I will tell you we are Kwasia. You are a fool. You are a fool to take my money. You are a fool. Jonfo wajimi. GJA president wajimi. Jonfo wajimi. Misiano program bias na mnso ni nyanse wajimi. For your Kwasia boy papa. What if you are thinking or they are better? Wajimi. Sure. How can somebody go and take money in my name? Say a COVID ska. Na ono ne party for ababe chess Kennedy. Assembly called parliament near yanti a bipartisan committee for almost 4 years now. A bino party a friend MPP no atiako nyano so say money nipa bia NC a committee ni so. Omuni Ghana for ni NCC bia se expenditure COVID expenditure no omunya ne omunya ne kira omuni Ghana ni bia ni asem bia aka Jonfo wa boa we Ofui na o Jonfo Kwasia te say why na benya asem okromu a wohwehwe say Gabby na me Bobie menya asem na me befre wo Jonfo how for what me France brabe de brane bem de wo faso be ne wo so brabe bem de na be ne de me kwatare duan kura bomitu a yese ko nkofra Jonfo mra how eya me Bobie me asantini akola ate say me ntimi nkama asem wo Ghana. How can somebody insult us in that way? And you tell me I should not insult, but here's what you are tifie. This is Gabby or Chedako or so near a memonumu. Nay, Japadi to say ECG. A ya Kwame Nkrumah di Jaya. A ya no Maya or mine. No Marco Funkro for every Filipino. Edward ba to come and negotiate and privatize it. One more year. One of the PDS vehicle na GJA amount for bills for 6 to 8 months, almost $1.5 billion. Contract na amaso sikano omodi Jonfo was a meka inti se meka Akufo Addo ne Gabby no masema ne mabunko todwe me pa acha wate said de moye ne enye Jonfo wa boa wa jimi papa minim se wonim nyansa. How se me metimi krom me wa me airport. No, abambe na yes ade we bi da. President boy panya na yes ankwase ade Akufo Addo adi wo kromada. Se me a Ghanaian citizen na me wom na ga se nyema Akufo Addo aye se ye oman bi ankeja nto mu. Opa ankwase ade Akufo Addo ne Bawumia adi wo kroma no. Mo ni bi wo UK. Mo ni bi wo America. Ubo hu aja betom. Me wo me airport. There's somebody from nowhere. Not in the table abesi airport wo. Your friend says you're from Frontiers. me Ghana need to quite a bar was it $150. Na me hwe say wo de covid e ba be wuramu a no ma me krata aketu ab no agimi sika owie ni nyina for 2 or 3 years a na ya frɛ foreign minister unim sa company we osid minimum omo ni ya frɛ ya frɛ say health minister unim sa company we osid minimum omo ni ya frɛ ya frɛ say aviation omo si enim omo ha enke no kura nkoto nchen na chief of staff remo pare reckless woman way atimi afa paper atro say based on the RTI right to information bill no Ghana ni bia no kwai so be access information about frontiers. Yes, that is the letter they brought into public. Say obi biara ni ho go kion honorable ya wotwe we no kwai say or as to when they were registered. As to when they were registered, as to how they came into Ghana to work, as to how much we knew quite say Ubusa Omo, a Nigerian company.
Bobie.
John Fosse, say Kwaku a year bunko toje, ne pacho say, Mpacho, Nigeria for no GJA sika koeno by media ethics, you know it is not good. And it is not good. And we condemn on uncertainty terms. John for wa pa Ofui number 1 what ni patete da fuka pusi wajimi muko didi musika tan no wa ha Kwasia wo udi MPP achia na me Captain Smart no ka no ka se minim me Captain Smart nyina from omunim se me senior minimum nyina from head to toe John 4 me minim John 4 pa na sa John 4 wo fra ya friend say ya friend say boy wo friend boss o me wo friend say obi ye no obi ti o mamu anybody me akum nipa 8 moche sorry cry wan ka bia nkyere ye wo say I should respect that person me Bobie answer I should respect that person you are a fool stupid boy yet to amamu no how possible say obi etimi anante ko Bank of Ghana twasikama minkodi per our laws you need parliamentary approval and set a Bank of Ghana twasika for the first time a very reckless president, useless as such, just walked to Bank of Ghana. Chesikama Minkodi, 62 billion Ghana cedis. Right now, a bad debt. Ha! Jumbo, wabwa. No. Enti baby, I was a CNN, omomode, etexi ajumano. Waka se mampeni be ne be sa de we no obetra konya so. Ensi da. In UK, in America, that the president can order money kesikama minkonkodi no ti akonya so on ke krona se ha no how on earth how possible say obi etimi da sore one day say ono obeso osi asore dan enti judges adan nyina wabubu ni nyina gu wa form man sika e dia bubu judges adan ni nyina gu obubu gu wiye no anso ha wasi akwa fa yesika more than 300 million Ghana cedis ade atwa amra ana wayi sika ni bi dollars wayi sika ni bi diama again without going through a procurement processes or the ama ajai adi jisika no na fakọ na ekokoko di wo se me ka eya me nka ne se dampa cho esika no a ofa no a odema eye Mr. Honorable Ajaino, damn pacho, anya dear cry. To by ethics, I have condemned you. Don't forward bois. Where Jimmy Papa. When your friends say, your friends say, oh, but and mother, Edith, you know, way, a boy, obi treat me anyhow, me Ghanani, obi treat me with disdain, obi treat me with disrespect. Somebody who I feed for my taxes, Akufo Addo was a pauper, a beggar, a poor man. Bawumia na no. Ken Ofori Atta no 1990 kwam stressra 11 cedi. What the party a dying and a koje a year collateral for data bank. Sa boys na wodwon for unhu omo Sammy okunuma na unhu omo na okotokoto omo no. Ya ni ayiska so omo nsam omba program on the faka ekofie. Pa asajidenum omo ba ya yiska so omo nsam om the faka ekofie. How can you steal me like this and you want me to respect you? How can you do this to me and you tell me to respect you? As if you are not here. How? Jumfo, say obi, ese me de asase, pradada esi, eye terminal 3. Then somebody just came into power. Domestic, yard no anka obetimi a build ho amaye you know. Eye be mo mine sika no. Wa fa dia ma Magdan. Say Magdan anyimfa nya ne private property. Na omo fa run omo business enindi. Wo say Sameka, ya menka se dam pacho. Domestic honor what the ama Magdan no. I condemn it in then don't for wa Ofui. And that is the question. Ye bu ade free and ananum penso sa be pemene no faso be ne nya. Kire me faso kra nya. We are rather retrogressing. We are rather retrogressing. Ye bu ade free and ananum penso sa be pemene no. En faso kire me faso de pa ne nya as oman. Jomfo a presidential staffer can sit in there. No, a former president, former president Bob Girl, only 18 years. Not never to a Facebook. What presidency you now discuss said the only akolane da ebeye ye. Don't fall, we are free. Where Jimmy Papa? Somebody is running in my own. Look at say a Central Oil Company. Now you have almost tax waivers $126 million. Yeah, B5 $11 million. Weigh $10 million. Weigh $100 million. Foreign companies now can afford the near me bar near bread. What's me? I should respect this. People know what this Kwasia. I should respect that person. What kind of respect do you deserve? Respect. Respect. We earn it. Respect. You earn it. You don't force it. You earn it. Respect. You earn it. So you don't tell me nonsense. If you are a thief and you want to join thieves, so be it. You can be with the thieves. Criminal boys. What the chroma? John for you were part of 2016 MPP media campaign. You are part of them. 2020, you are part of them. And Kwasia did from Obana FM in John for you are part. I think you are part. Swine. And you think somebody is afraid of you? Go and tell Akufo Addo. Go and tell him. These criminals, you see, we will push you guys for you to do whatever you want to do. I'm telling you. We will push you to the level. Somebody just decided to treat Ghanaians as if yenye nipa. President ye taxes mano na kion sa president we akọ Peace FM no te kwa Sefa kayanim na ohene bi sra ne sempa wo chew ohene na ni di na tamo Jomfo ayi your friend say ohene no wo your friend say I know voter but Keta ohene na ni di na tamo o say aban and wan Akufo Addo din also osre aban say block bi esi ni area ho na opacho obae no aban we bae no bepem ne omonto asuntika osre aban so omoma meye dia ene omoma meyi mfiri ho Kojo Akufo Addo nkwasi asema Onyx Sefa kan tre ho kekai ono no ohene no ono se ne hwan
so ono no ma minister no ultimatum
ma minister no ma minister no ultimatum minister ohene ne dia yamfa taxes na etua ne ka o minister no ya dia taxes na etua ne ka eni so ohene ne ma minister no ultimatum pa enko deserve so man ultimatum. Then this man sat on Peace FM and talk trash.
Also ono nkonkoye.
This man sat, Afro Chief, thank you, sat on Prez FM and talked trash, stupidity. Then you foolish boy, John 4, you are sitting there, that we should give that person a respect. What respect does he deserve? Tell me. A media foundation boy, no, is a Bawa, is a Muhammad, no. Come and tell me, what respect do you deserve? When you do that to me, you trample over me, you walk over me, you treat me anyhow, and you tell me I should respect you. Respect who? You take my taxes. And when there is time for me to come and ask you to account for my taxes, you insult me, you bully me, and you tell me you need respect. What kind of respect do you want? You are a madman, Jomfo. You are a madman. You are a madman. Somebody I pay with my taxes just walked to Kwabre for presenter dan Kabonio also Kwabre for sit die pacho eyi omo kwan se de enye no ama mehwe wo mo a omo nto abam emma wo bio. Come and see the insults on them. Enipa do panache wa odidu atem. Udidi na atem a odidu atem. So why should you waste your time to panache to respect him for what? For what? Mo I say no mo fan kola 5 ewo mo sinzongo. They went and killed them. 7, sorry. Omko kum omo offenso ekwa mu. You are telling me I should respect this government. And now me video bi o ha omo national security for chinipa no ma sene tie. You are telling me I should respect it. Don't for wa boawate.
I've said it on my show several times. I'm telling any of them to come and challenge me. Senior journalist,
senior journalist for Beya.
Oh, that's how I own him. I'm going to be asking 50,000.
I ain't for no. Captain, Captain. Minim Crofra, I tell you, I'll mention them. I ain't for no.
Me say, so that no catch it say, Mami up to October. Obi Academy. Me na catch it. So they catch it. So October not to go. Mami up to October. How we must say a can of kore. Ni jai sika jijiano. Yen can of kore wukum ha. Ye yen central for ye tron sem ni ye can sem. Ebe buan nipa me nipa sitremo etimi aye. Na so wo ye presenter. Now man who to boom no wakwaji 50,000 every month. Man who to boom no wakwaji 40,000. Na enkofo free him be sunlight. Udru one on sunlight here Jessica na as a concert ticket. Is that how to Sunday your mind? So when it's the ebe one the power take on my ni mono. And then aminia sister would give me na washe na wayo ma dia na ye. Ani etoda we must spit fire. People should get this straight. Nobody should try to become the judge on who is professional and what is good and what is bad. Nobody has been crowned the king or the queen to determine what is good and what is bad in this industry. The fact still remains. So who are buying say odisika koyi kwan no odisika na sa aban ya aban benya. You are asking me to be respectful. Really? When we respected them, what have they done for us? We've shown them respect over the years. We've given them the needed respect. We've been so decorous before. We were quiet. We were kneeling. We were going down, begging them. Even chiefs and kings and queens were pleading. A small DCE, when we say paramount chief, DCE. We've pleaded with these politicians for quite too long. And they haven't shown any respect to us. Isn't it not painful? As soon as you open your mouth, Kitwebi, these guys will come and tell you that really? Say Yamano Kase Napko for him. Why is Napko? Napko for no omo him, bra. Somebody should tell me, you put together fake 100,000 people. Those guys were not up to 100,000. It's a fake thing. Who counted them? They should publish the names of all the NAPCO people. Let's do one by one counting to know that they were 100,000. But let's admit it like that. Let's say 100,000. Now for over 6 months, this period in Wuntia Sa Akwadana, what time in the feet Kumase, Edenaba Tonkai, the what time in the feet ho, Edenaba Tema, the Ofani Fitema, Edneko Cape Poster, what's a unity? Now what did the Kabusumi see a Wuntia? Then I would yes, UT. And no dear, and yeah, and no your bonnie, and then your woody. You see, these people are diplomatic terrorists. When you tell them they don't want to listen. And then somebody will have the F1 to come and tell you that Umwade or Kasanye, me Kasanye. You can say in the phone, ya the Casafon Neteneno. Yaman Busabeno, Yabaton say Yanan Busabeno. And the phone, ya the Casafon Neteneno. National service for are they not at home? Who will be a national service? They use these guys like bulldozers. After 1 year, now Abanya Yudani say, I will not pay you. I will not pay you. Now, boys seen in Namkrum, girls seen in Namkrum, say, I say, sabi, in Jankabia, Umunishaphobia, and somebody is quiet about that. And when I open my mouth, people are saying what? adana men kwatem kwache obi ka jem say adana me kasa de nendo na men pa cho na me say wallahi talai me kwajo smart that will be over my goddamn body say me be pa wa cho GJA no muni kuma 2014 2015 2016 na me year fa be wo so and the woman to any press conference on said that they make a NDC for any Mahama and the that I'm not doing for no member of the Ghana Journalists Association. I don't know my press conference. We were in this country. Do you remember, say, high priest, a gentleman called Professor Mills, chimpanzee? You remember that? Okay. Net GJA for him. You see, this kind of selective justice, this is what is killing this country. And it's about time, my dear people, it's about time we all come together and say that enough is enough.
All right, so enough is enough. Captain Onua Smart, thank you so much.
You're welcome, my brother. We'll catch on, say 213,000. No, we don't for being children's home.
Yo, Martin, make catch him.
That's it.
Yo, it's for waiting and someone at the point so I'm can say so and now we're here so we can subscribe ya let's say over subscribe na what like it now we share video on Saturday of also opinion be ahead also get me actually what na for here and so we now who comment boxing Bobie interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.